So this is a cool clutch. This one we've been waiting on a while. We had a clutch like this last year. It didn't end up happening. But anyway, this is a Tiger Platinum's head albino. So these snakes here will be capable of making ultra super tigers, ultra tigers, albino ultras, albino ultra tigers, albino ultra supers, albino ivories, albino tiger ivories, albino super ivories, and of course the albino white snake, which would be really cool. Totally white sheet white snake with a bright fire eyes. So that'll be cool. Patternless white snake. So these are the key to all that. And boom, there's a tiger. Beautiful. This one here I already kind of peeked into. This is a normal, if there's such a thing. It's a platinum head albino. And that's a tiger. These things are going to be gorgeous because our hets are already insane. So the het tigers are really light animals in the start. Wow, look at the color on that. That is awesome. Ha! That thing is cool. Look at that! Look at how light they are. Not as light as plutoniums, but I mean, excuse me, not as light as the tiger het citrons, the platinums, the Platron tigers. That one's rivaling it almost, but they're not. They're not as light. You can see the difference. They're beautiful. And we got a few eggs here, so we're kind of excited. These are some important animals. Some of our... Whoa! Whoa! Look at that. Can you see that? Whoa! Look at that snake. Okay, so this one wants to beat them all. Completely patternless white back. Oh my gosh! Is that snake insane? That one will cost a couple dollars. Only problem is it's probably not going to be for sale because it's probably mine. Highest bidder, I guess. Anyway, let's see here. Oh! Who knows? Maybe we're onto something cool here. That is really cool. They're completely patternless on the back. Oh, this one's not like that, but it's nice. That one's lighter than the rest. It is. Wow, so we got two so far that are patternless on their back. Of course, they're in the egg, so we don't know. Maybe it's just a section of it patternless. These will be our future breeders. And we're going to sell a few too because got to keep taking care of all the creatures around here. That one's pretty reduced pattern again, so it looks to me like the reduced pattern tiger that of course we've always had very striped tigers. That's what we specialize in. Oh my gosh, that's another screamer. Jeez, looks like I won't be the only one with these because I need to hold back a few, but I can't hold back everything. Wow, we're doing really well in the tigers. What is that?
Normal.
A normal. Of course, I make these big holes because I don't want anybody to drown. We just had one egg that didn't make it. It was a runny one, but it was already dead. Another normal. A normal platinum head albino. Another normal het albino platinum. I'm using the word normal very vaguely, very undiscreetly, but that's okay. Wow, another beautiful one. Look at him, just about ready to put his head out. Well, this is an awesome clutch. Another tiger, but there's not that many of those completely patternless tigers with the completely open back. They're incredible. They remind you of I don't even know what they remind you of. Kind of like an anthrax genetic stripe thing. Boy, can you imagine the citron tiger platinums het albino if we make them? That'll be a while off, but we got those in the works too. Maybe next year. I think we have a way. Maybe we don't. What a beautiful clutch. Another normal hat. Started out real heavy on tigers, but we caught back up quick, I think. Whoa! Look at the back on that. Look at that snake's back. I don't know if oh my gosh. That is incredible. Wow, these are really nice looking snakes. Wow, they're gorgeous. Looks so messy doing this, but boy, it sure raises the success rate of animals not dying. So we got 2 left. Let's see here. Normal platy. Het albino. And another platy het albino. Nothing special. I mean, besides being normal platinum, which is glows in the dark. Anyway, pretty exciting, guys. We'll probably try to get some of these guys shot as soon as they come out of the egg. We'll get some cool pictures up, especially those patternless ones that have no pattern on the entire back. They are radically cool. And of course, platinums don't even get their color until about 6 months. So even though that looks like that now, which blows everybody's mind, oh my gosh, in 6 months, that's going to be incredible. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Don't forget to look up the Reptile Zoo and check out our new webisodes. I think we're up to 4 webisodes right now. I'm dating this, so check it out on YouTube. Just type in the Reptile Zoo, it'll come right up on YouTube, the video search. Take care, guys.
What are these? Is this stuff actually happening?